What is up, YouTube? Today's part 2 on fixing this hood. Here with Yui. He's doing some work right now. We're gonna try to bang out as much as we can today. We'll keep you updated through every step that we're at.
It's hot.
It's hot. We might put up another time lapse showing everything that we've done so far for this car, and keep you updated. I don't know if you guys can hear me over there. We re-drilled all the rivet holes. He's trying to flatten out where the guy kept cutting and stuff like that, and was just like those wave marks. So we're gonna overlay it with some epoxy and some fiberglass so we could toughen it up and make it a little bit more rigid. So we if we lean on it and stuff like that, it just doesn't break and snap. And plus it's gonna look a lot better with it all smooth. We can lay everything, you know, correctly, especially those vents. Alright guys, update time. We went around, re-drilled all the rivet holes all the way around. Yui right now is refining the edge of the surface where he did. Alright guys, so this is where we're at right now. As you can see, this is what Yui's doing right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. He's trimming out that excess. See this? Where this guy just messed up. We're going over, sanding everything down. We're working on the passenger side of the car today, just to try it out. So this is where we're at so far, guys. He's going down and prepping the area, but let's do a little before. Rough cuts, after, smooth, all the way around. We're gonna fill in here eventually, so we get more lip to bite on. We're making it, guys, we're making it. We're getting there. Alright, so update time. Everything's sanded down. We're about to put some epoxy on. Fill all these holes. Yuri right now is making the epoxy solution. Alright guys, this is where we're at. We're starting to epoxy. I know it doesn't look great right now, but trust the process. We're getting everything down. We're filling up all the holes. We're gonna come in, see what we can do for this little area. But right now, we're just filling up these holes. Keep you updated, guys. What is up, guys? So we're gonna call it today. It's gonna be a short part 2. We're trying new things out, you know. Yui has a little bit of time working on epoxy. I don't. And we're trying something new, so we're doing the test side first. And it looks all right. A lot of the high spots we know we can sand down. So we want to fill in this gap so that little vent lays over just nice and flush.
Yeah. Keep in mind, it doesn't have to be pretty. There's gonna be vinyl over that. We just want to level it.
Yeah. So it is gonna be vinyl wrapped. It's gonna be that satin black. So it doesn't have to look perfect. But like I said, we want that to stay flush and just look a lot better. Again, guys, here's another before, another after of all the cuts that we did, or Yui did. I was just a cameraman today. Kind of worked out. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We want to make the channel grow. We will bring this car to a track. When we're done, we are going to have track days. Again, guys. Have a good one.